Hi Fit Fam, it's been quite a while. I hope we are all doing great. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you are returning, I am very happy to be having you. If you don't know yet, I am currently a physiotherapy student. Actually, one of the reasons why I'm no longer frequently uploading videos, but physiotherapists use different forms of therapy, and one of them is hydrotherapy, the use of water in preventing, treating, and even helping to cure from sicknesses. And it is used in different forms, for instance, the temperature, the hydrostatic pressure, the buoyancy. But in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use water as a form of therapy in your home using the temperature. So guys, I know we all love our hot showers or our warm showers or baths. In fact, I was also a very big fan of very hot warm showers. You know, it's really cold out here and I grew up in the sunshine, so I've always been having hot bath until recently. We had this lesson, this hydrotherapy lesson, where we learned about cold water therapy and how important it is to always end your baths with cold water, a cold water application. Well, you do not have to shower with cold water all through, but whenever you shower, for instance, if you've showered with warm water, always making sure that you end up with an application of cold water. Cold water with the temperature ranging from 18 to 6 degrees. And the first time I tried this out, it was really like a total shock to my body. I remember I jumped out of the bathtub like as if I had been electrified. But I kept on practicing this more and more and more, and with time my body got used, and I can assure you that I feel healthier. There is lots of benefits of hydrotherapy, that is the cold water application after your baths, which I'll be sharing with you. But one of the most important ones is that you do not freeze after. You know it can be cold when you get out of the shower, especially after showering with warm water. But when you shower with cold water, when you end up with a cold water application, you will not freeze. You will go out there and you will not freeze. So it's actually very recommended, especially in the cold, in the winter, because if you shower with warm water and then go out in the cold, you are increasing your chances of getting sick. But if you shower with warm water and then you always end it up with cold water, you're going to go out there and you will not freeze. And other benefits of a cold water application include: number one, it helps to improve and boost your immunity. Number two, it helps in promoting flow and circulation of blood. Number three, it does help in boosting metabolism, and in a way, it helps in loss of unwanted fat. Number four, it boosts lymphatic drainage. And number five, it helps in promoting the functioning of the nervous system, and in a way helps to promote emotional resilience. And number six, it helps to lower stress, anxiety, and even depression. Number seven, it helps in boosting fertility, especially in men. I don't know if you guys have heard or read about this, but hot baths have been said to be a form of temporary male contraception. That is because they are said to lower the levels of testosterone. So if you are trying to boost your fertility as a male, please avoid hot bath as a whole, and make sure you do a cold water application every time you are done with bathing with warm water. Number eight, cold water application helps in promoting better sleep, especially for those of you guys who have trouble in falling asleep. And next, cold water application helps in promoting quick recovery of muscles, especially for you guys who love doing your sports like myself. And lastly, and very important for us ladies especially, cold water applications will help slow down the rate at which your skin ages. You've always heard when I'm sharing skincare tips, if you've heard about this anywhere, I always tell you that after washing up your face with warm water, you always end it up with a splash of cold water. Now, cold water helps to close your pores first of all, and also it helps to increase skin elasticity. So for those of you who are looking for beauty secrets, this is one of them. Not only the skin but also the hair. So make sure every time you wash your hair or your skin with warm water, you always end it up with an application of cold water, and you will always maintain a youthful skin. And well guys, that is just about it for today. I hope you did find this video useful. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and even share it with your friends and family so that it can reach as many people as possible who may need it. I do plan to continue sharing with you lots of fitness and wellness tips on here as I get to learn myself. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you never miss a video every time I do upload. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in my next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and always keep fit for health. Bye for now.